Innovo program has allowed me to understand better how to sell my product in US. Thanks to the fact that in US, you have specific market approach that is different from France or from Europe, based on the fact also that you have private insurance much more than public coverture. And we have something like that modifies the way to imagine to sell your product. So here what we have learned thanks to Innovo is what could be the reimbursement of our product or service, and it's a key issue. It's one of the elements. The second element is to be in contact with some customer. It has facilitate, of course, this contact, and also to be in contact with insurance directly. The last point that was not planned is to be in contact with other companies that could work with us, because we have also a B2B format for our sale, and we have discovered here some B2B possibility for us. Any startup who is enough good to do that, because Innovo is selective, should try to do an Innovo program, because the Innovo will learn them a lot of things. They will learn what should be their way to think for the future. They should learn what is this market of US that is really important. The North American market is really important, essentially in medicine, and it is my domain. And it will learn also, they will discover a group, an ecosystem that exists in Strasbourg, but when you are here together, you will see immediately this ecosystem that is truly amazing. So we mustn't be, we have to be proud of what we have in Strasbourg. And when we compare with Boston, the only thing I can say is that Boston has advanced in the way to manage the innovation in technology. But in Strasbourg, we have something different that has the same power of development of innovation. We have only to trust in it and to discover that. So what you can see here in Boston is the way to think. When you see people here, they have absolutely no fear to create their company, and they know that they can succeed if they work. Even if they do not succeed, they try. And when they do not succeed, they do it again, because they know that this failure will be not a failure, but an education. So this spirit has to be transported in Europe and in France, because in France, frequently, we are afraid to have a non-success in our company. We are afraid for lots of things, finally. And here, no. So it's the first thing. Second point, investor here put much more money than in Europe. And so our objective is to bring the investor in Europe. It's only possible if you show them that in Europe we have lots of possibility. And it is especially the case in Strasbourg. That is at the center of Europe. We have amazing quality of companies, amazing innovation that are perhaps not enough known. And so we have to prove to investor that it's perhaps less risky to create and to support a company in Strasbourg than anything else. So we have amazing power, but we don't say it. We stay in place because we are afraid to say we are too good. Here, when someone is good, he says, I'm good, and it's not a problem. So we have to do the same because we are good.